Hello and welcome back. If you're new to my channel, my name is Lubby, and in today's video, we're going to dive into whether you can create patterns if the material we're working with is nail decoration. I'll show you 5 different designs today. Keep watching and I'll show you how. I thought we would start with an easy pattern, and during the video we will increase the level from easy to more difficult. Some of the nail design is time-consuming, but the result was so good. Even though it takes time, I recommend you to try it. When it comes to the base, always choose a simple color so the nail decoration can pop out. Then apply a thin layer of top coat before you start applying the nail decoration to the nail. On nail number 2, I have chosen to have a neutral base because the decoration I have chosen is very light, and for it to be more easily visible on the nail, it is best if the base is light. When you make patterns, always try to have a thin layer of top coat, because this way you can move the nail decoration around more easily. In the picture next to you, you can see what the result will be after you are finished with the application of the nail decoration. This nail design became my favorite. Please tell me which one you liked the best and can imagine recreating. I chose to have the color black as a base because I want the pattern to be more visible on the nail. I always use a toothpick when I apply nail glitter because I find it easier to work with. In the middle of the design, apply nail glitter alternately to create the illusion we are looking for. Always finish the nail design by applying top coat and cure. Nail number 4 will be a tribute to Christmas as we are fast approaching Christmas. If you want, you can use this pattern on all nails, or if you just want the nail design to stand out, just apply the pattern on just one nail. You are more than welcome to tell me if there is any topic in the nail world you would like to know more about or how to use a product. Feel free to leave your thoughts and ideas in the comments field. Now we have come to the last pattern of the day. When I created this pattern, I had in mind a party or disco. The base is a gray cut-eye gel nail polish. The pattern turned out like a disco ball. I personally think it turned out cool. What do you think? All the patterns you have seen in today's video, I have finished the nail designs with top coat and then cured the nail for 60 seconds. Hope you learned something new today, and thanks for watching. Take care and bye for now.